You're still wearing that?
Yung ano?
Yung singsing na binigay ng ex mo sa'yo.
Come on, Sachi, napag-usapan na natin to.
Yeah, and I said you should remove it kasi it doesn't make sense. Tapos sinabi mo, tatanggalin mo na. Pero ngayon, suot mo ulit.
We're not having this conversation here.
Kahit saan tayo pumunta, iiwasan mo pa rin naman yung mga sinasabi ko and you will still gaslight me.
Okay, fine. Tatanggalin ko na. Happy. Huwag mo nga sirain tong anniversary night natin.
Wow, thank you ah. Well, hindi naman masisira to kung tuluyan mo na yung tinanggal, di ba?
I did. Tinanggal ko to.
Tapos binalik mo ulit kasi feeling mo empty ang pakiramdam mo.
Okay, that's not the case.
Or maybe, sinuot mo ulit kasi nakapagkita ka sa ex mo kanina and nakalimutan mo lang tanggalin bago mo ako sunduin.
Ano ba pinagsasabi mo dyan? You're being crazy again. Stop with your crazy ideas. I told you, you should stop hanging out with your friends kasi bad influence sila sa'yo. You know what, Sachi? This is pointless. You just ruined our night and I hope makatulog ka sa ginawa mo ngayon. I did some effort tonight. I dressed up, tapos